How to delete Snapchat messages. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about deleting Snapchat messages. So now let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open your Snapchat application. Make sure that it is updated with its latest version and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now in order to delete chats on Snapchat, go ahead and open your chats section. Then select any chat or conversation that you want to delete. Tap and hold onto it, and you will see the option of chat and notification settings, that is between manage friendship and create group chat with that specific person. Go ahead and tap on chat and notification settings. You will get different options of clear from chat feed, pin conversation, pin shortcut to home screen, and delete chats. If you do not want to see the chat in your chat list, you can go ahead and clear from the chat feed. And if you search for the specific person, the chat will reappear. But if you want to delete the chats, you can go ahead and tap on delete chats. This will show you three different options of after viewing, 24 hours after viewing, and 7 days after viewing. If you want to delete the chat immediately, tap on after viewing. And if you want to delete it 24 hours after viewing any chat that you send or the other person send, you can go ahead and tap on that. Or if you want to delete after 7 days, you can go ahead and tap on the third option and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.